Morning, Kryptonians. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Now I'm going to hone in on this Ethereum, and I'm going to hone on in it real hard because we really need to know if it's feasible for us to have an Ethereum with $1 trillion market cap. So let's just look at this. Let's look at Ethereum during the last bull run, and let's think about where it was then. So I'm going to pull this up. We're going to take a look, all of it, and we can see somewhere around the last bull run we had a market cap that hit in January 13, 2018. The price of Ethereum was $1,366. Okay, I want y'all to think about that. $1,366. Let's go and look at the market cap at that point. So as you can see, look at that market cap. 125.92 billion. All right. Now, let's fast forward to 2021 when the clown show started. Okay? You're looking at now look at this now. 2 times in the same year, we have over a $421 billion market cap. That was on May 14th, and now here we are again. Market cap $444.9 billion. Listen, folks. 2 times in 1 year, we have approached or created new highs. You've got 3 new highs. If you really look at it, you're about to have your 3rd, 4th new high in 2021. Ethereum is raging. This is not the first bull run. This is something very different. And we are currently, I would say, in price discovery mode. If you look at what Ethereum represents as far as a technology, as a blockchain, its capability of being integrated into different applications at the foundation layer to collect Ethereum as a form of payment in return for goods and services. And you look at how they spent so much time making sure smart contracts were something that could be easily learned by developers. And the fact that there's thousands of projects now underway inside of their IDE. If you go to their website, you would realize now that from a utility standpoint, it is plausible that Ethereum could, and should I say should, pass Bitcoin in market cap value. I'm going to go on record right now as saying I believe that Ethereum will ultimately not only go to $8,000 in price and achieve $1 trillion market cap. I'm going to go further and say that I believe that Ethereum eventually could surpass Bitcoin in market cap value. I still believe that Bitcoin will always be the media darling, but Ethereum's utility and its capability will give it the capacity to approach Bitcoin from a market cap standpoint and from a value added standpoint, just because its capability as a blockchain. So if you haven't invested in Bitcoin or you haven't invested in Ethereum, you might want to consider that now. This is an opportunity like none other. And when it passes, people are going to be wondering, where was I? Where were you? Where were you when the blast off took place? Where were you when the Ethereum rocket lit off, took flight? Maybe you were listening to Crypto Big Boss. Now, this is not investment advice, but maybe it's time that you take a look at your portfolio. You don't have to get a whole one, just get a little bit. Hopefully, it'll work out for you. So with that, hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next